इसने 2014 में आए थे जब ये यहाँ कोर्स करने के लिए, तब चढ़ा था। तो अभी वैसे ही ट्राई करा, लेकिन ये बहुत रिस्की होता है क्योंकि फिंगर में भी फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है। और अभी इसको दूसरे कोर्स पे जाना है। मत करो, ऐसे मत करो, विदाउट अरेंजमेंट्स जो है रिस्की है।
उंगलियों में जान चाहिए। Okay, so before this video begins, I need to give you guys a little context of this video. So basically, in this vlog, me and my mom are going to be traveling from our hotel or the place where we are staying in Kullu to my institute in Manali, which is the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports. Yes, I know it's a long name, but I mean, you guys get what they teach there. And I really enjoyed going back there because this is the same place where I did my mountaineering course, my basic mountaineering course. So that happened in 2014 and now I'm back here in 2021. So yeah, I really enjoyed going back there and now you guys see for yourself. Okay guys, so finally I think after 2014 I was here last, 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You guys do the math, but I think 7 or 8 years after, yeah, after 7 or 8 years मैं वापस यहाँ आ चुका हूँ. And I hate this route. Why do I hate this route? Because I remember हम वहाँ से पूरी रनिंग करके आते थे बाहर से, and then सुबह सुबह वो लोग हमें वहाँ वर्कआउट कराते थे ज़बरदस्ती के पुशअप्स एंड ऑल. एंड देन दिस इज़ न्यू. ये जब मैं लास्ट टाइम यहाँ आया था तब नहीं था, बट दे हैव फाइनली मेड अ प्रॉपर climbing wall. Yeah, it's very huge. It's a 90-degree wall. That's not even 90 degree. I think that's minus something. That must be minus 85 degrees if I'm not wrong. But yeah, that looks really scary. But I remember वहाँ पे कहीं होती थी, इसके पीछे होती थी wall. But that was quite short actually. And this is the building जहाँ पे I gave my exams. Yes, we also have exams. We only have one exam. But उसमें सब कुछ आता है कि who was the first climber and then how many knots there are जो mountaineers को याद रखनी चाहिए and all of that stuff. उसके बाद as you can see यहाँ पे various types of parts है mountaineering के ही. And then यहाँ पे what is it, first aid है. उसके बाद ये जो building है, this is actually what is it called? It's an auditorium. यहाँ पे I remember they showed us a movie about the people who climbed Mount Everest and then everyone got very क्या कहते हैं उसको भावुक, because literally everyone wants to climb Mount Everest, किसको नहीं climb करना. And then at that building, if I'm not wrong, that is the building जहाँ पे I stayed, yeah, for 1 week. And then उसके बाद we all went above. So that was the boys hostel and that उसके आगे जो है that is the female hostel, yeah. And this building is what is it? The canteen, yeah. I'm here now with my mom. It's really cool and दबा के nostalgia हो रहा है. But yeah, now I'll see what happens. Oh my god, so this is the original wall which I first climbed here. I showed you guys the other one, वो नहीं है. This is the OG one. I remember I climbed till there and then I started to fall. Yeah. Oh my god, I never reached there. Or I don't remember that I reached there. But this is the original 90-degree wall which we had to climb. Another random fact is हम लोग यहाँ रोज़ सुबह उठ के हमको यहीं पर रनिंग कराई जाती थी. और बहुत सारी रनिंग कराई जाती थी, ऐसे भी नहीं थोड़ी सी रनिंग, बट बहुत ज़्यादा. एंड कहते हैं वहाँ पे देयर इज़ जस्ट खाई. आई डोंट रिमेंबर, बट आई रिमेंबर कि यहाँ पे जब मैं दौड़ रहा होता था तो मेरी क्या बुरी हालत होती थी भाई साहब. ओह एंड आई ऑल्सो रिमेंबर यहाँ पे हमें बहुत सारे गाय वाय के स्कल्स दिखते थे, क्योंकि अपेरेंटली यहाँ पे लेपर्ड्स वगैरह भी होते थे. अब पता नहीं वो टीचर्स हमारे मज़े लेने के लिए कहते थे या क्या, बट या यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हमें गायों के स्कल्स भी मिले हैं जब हम रनिंग करते थे, और वो दिल दहला देने वाली चीज़ थी. ओके तो दिस इज़ जो एज पे दिखता है, यहाँ पे किसी टाइम पे नदी होती थी बट ऑब्वियसली अभी सूख गई है. एंड देव ऑल्सो इंस्टॉल्ड फेंसिंग. अब पता नहीं ये इलेक्ट्रिक वाली है कि नहीं, तो मैं इसको छू नहीं रहा, बट या ये पहले नहीं होती थी. अब ये पूरे एज टू एज चल रही है एंड हम यहीं पे रनिंग करते थे रोज़ सुबह. जी हाँ. Okay, so I guess I'll quickly show you guys my room. This is a dormitory basically, and they have bunk beds in here. This is what I used to stay on when I did the basic mountaineering course. But this is a room. Yeah, we have to stay here for one night. They have given us few lockers with no security whatsoever. But yeah, you can keep your stuff in here. People have left their bags so that they can, you know, mark their beds. I've marked my beds with my shoes opened up like that, and this is basically the dormitory. Yeah, there are a lot of rooms and it's really empty, as you can hear that I'm the only one echoing. Yeah, my voice is only echoing. And now I'll actually wear my shoes back because it's really cold. By the way, this is the bag, this is the rucksack I have my stuff in, and then this is another small Pittu bag which I'll be using. I have my GoPro in it, a water bottle. This is more of a keeping the stuff which I will need at any given moment, and then इसमें वो सामान है which I can like दे सकता हूँ, and then I don't have to use very regularly. Now the time currently is, it's about to be 5 o'clock. It's currently 4:40. Now what I'm about to show you is the obstacle course जो मैं माउंटेनरिंग कोर्स में हमें करवाते थे. या तो इस कोर्स के हमें 2-3 चक्कर लगाने होते थे, and I have some free time on my hands, so I thought how about I show you guys the obstacle course. So यहाँ से कोर्स स्टार्ट होता है. We have to make our way through this बिना गिरे. I just hope मैं गिरूँ ना कैमरे पे, otherwise it'll be very awkward for me. Boom. Now that's done. I guess इसके नीचे से हमें जाना होता था. या इसके नीचे से हमें जाना होता था. And then उसके बाद ये आता है, इसके हमें बीच से जाना होता था. Obviously I'm not going to do it, but I'll try to do a cool transition like you guys just went through. I hope that was cool. And then इसके ऊपर से भी हमें फिर से ही जाना होता था. That's weird. इन्होंने 2-2 क्यों लगा रखे थे? I'm assuming ये zigzag करके है इसीलिए, that's why. But yeah, as you can see, light as a feather. Baby. And then उसके बाद this wall. Oh my god, I remember this wall. I hate this wall. क्योंकि मैं बीच वाली वॉल चढ़ता था, बट मेरे इंस्ट्रक्टर्स मेरे को हमेशा पुश करते थे कि ये वाली वॉल चढ़ो. And I was never able to climb this wall क्योंकि मैं तब खाली 15 का था. Like come on. Okay, so as we go through it, we had to climb this and then just straight jump करके नीचे आना होता था. And then भाग के थोड़ा देख के, क्योंकि यहाँ 2 खड्डे हैं. जी हाँ, जो एक्चुअली में डिलिबरेटली बनाए गए हैं. तो यहाँ से जंप करके इस पे आना होता था, एंड देन यहाँ से जंप करके इस पे आना होता था. उसके बाद हम नीचे जाते थे. एंड कीप इन माइंड यहाँ पे बहुत सारी रबल है और लाइक मतलब गंद बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो पैर देख के रखना होता था, अदरवाइज यू कैन ऑल्सो ब्रेक योर लेग्स. उसके बाद ये है, हाँ ये है जिसके हमें नीचे से जाना होता था. यस, नाउ आई रिमेंबर. हमें इसके नीचे से जाना होता था, आगे वाले के ऊपर से जाना होता था, एंड देन उसके आगे भागे. बट उसके बाद यहाँ से जंप करके हमें नीचे आना होता था, एंड देन आगे कंटिन्यू करना होता था. एंड एक्चुअली दिस इज़ द वन जिसके नीचे से हमें जाना होता था. जी हाँ. एंड यहाँ पे एज यू कैन सी बहुत ज़्यादा मेंटेन नहीं है अभी. द रीज़न बीइंग क्योंकि अभी माउंटेनरिंग कोर्सेज हो नहीं रहे, तो या दैट्स वाई. एट दी एंड हमें वो जो टायर हैं 2, उसके बीच से जंप करना होता था, बट ये कंपल्सरी नहीं था. यू कैन ऑल्सो जस्ट रन बैक, go all the way back and try this course again. But yeah, that was the obstacle course which I used to do every day for 3 to 4 times, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 3 to 4 times in our PT. So everyone did that. Everyone had to climb that wall. Everyone had to jump. That was the obstacle course, and I actually really enjoyed it. Okay, it's the next day, but I'm still here editing this video. So as you guys saw, all of the stuff which I showed you is inside the premises of the institute. Now what I'm about to show you is the washroom and how I set up my bed. So yeah, so this is the washroom. This actually is really nice in relation to what it used to be back in 2014 when I went there for my mountaineering course. And yeah, there are a lot of new tiles, a lot of gates, a lot of new gates, a lot of gates without holes. And then this is the bed. Like yeah, I actually sent this video to my mom, but I ended up using it in the vlog as well. But that was this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you guys are notified every time a new videos go live. New videos, yeah, and whatever. Every time a new video goes live. Now, next vlog is going to be really interesting because from next vlog I'll be starting my course. So yeah, you'll be getting an inside view of what goes on in the basic skiing course. So that's pretty interesting. I've got some really interesting clips, some really informative clips as well. So I'd recommend you guys hitting the thumbs up and subscribe button and also hitting the notification bell icon. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, bye.